Hey guys, we're trying to get today started. We've got a busy day. I've got to go help my mom in the flower bed. We got to spread some manure for my dad on his garden, picking up cars, picking up campers. So hubby, he's going to pick up a camper. It's like a 76 Scotty or something like that. He's going to pick that up, and we had somebody call about a Chevrolet, big back glass Chevrolet. We're going to go look at it. So we'll get the day started and let you know how it ends. Well, this is the camper he just brought in. I think it's a 77 Scotty. It looks pretty good. It's got a little water damage on the inside, but I think you can make a good camper with it. It's got keys. We'll go on the inside and look around. We hadn't cleaned it out yet.
Ooh, there's a red wall.
Ooh, red waltz. We don't want him. But it looks pretty good. Let's take a look on the inside. Hubby hauled this thing on the rollback. Woo. I was hoping it wasn't too tall for the DOT. We've got one similar to this.
It needs restoring, but it'd be
yeah, we're restoring ours. We've tore ours all apart. So this one just needs to be restored, and you'd have a really nice camper. It's got some cool vintage lights and a table. It's got a propane heater, and it's got the stove. Like I said, we hadn't cleaned it out. The cushions look really good. It's got a skylight. We'll have a price on this thing just shortly. If you're interested, hit me up. We'll see if we can get you a price sooner. Well, I tell you, today's turning out to be a very busy day. I've got to go over here and meet a guy. He's coming to look at a flatbed trailer we have for sale. It's a 92 Dorsey, 53-foot long spread axle trailer flatbed we've got for sale for $6,000. It's a good trailer. We're going to see if he's interested in it. We got a 1992 flatbed Dorsey for sale. It's a 53-foot. It's a spread axle. I think it started out as a 48-foot. Someone made it into a 53-foot. We have used it. We've hauled with it. It does have some rust spots on it. Asking $6,000. It's got some straps that come with it. It does have some rust up here at the front, you can see. So you would have to patch some of that. If we can help you out, let us know. We got a Volvo for sale today. I think it's a 2008 model Volvo. I can check the miles, put that in the description. It's a good truck. It's got low miles for the truck. It's got a title. If you have any questions about it, you can let me know. Asking $25,000. It's a really clean truck. It's clean underneath it. I'll post some pictures of the motor. If you have any questions, just let me know. Well, the guys decided they didn't want the trailer. Well, they said they'd think about it. It's got a little rust on where you load at, so they was a little concerned with that. We're headed over to deliver a transmission for my dad's truck. His transmission went out, so we're going to go over here and deliver it over to one of our mechanics, and probably check on that 49. I think it's a 4950 Chevrolet while we're out. Yeah, I know. Woo! Oh me, here we go. We gotta spread some manure. Mom and Dad needed some help today, so we're helping to spread some manure and cleaning out a flower bed. And then we got to go up and get our stuff from the auction that we bought. where the Falcon or the Fairlane and the truck was. So let's see how this goes. Let's see how this is gonna go. We got some hydraulics leaking. Hopefully it makes it through the day. We got some stinky mess right here. We're gonna dump it on the garden and hope for the best. See what she does. Oh Lord, this stuff makes me nervous. He just come down that hill. Ooh, 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 ooh. God, this stuff scares me. But
he's not giving up. He's gonna go just as far as he can with it. Got it into the spot that he's needing to get it to the best he could anyway.
so we had a hard day at work today. Plowed the garden, moved some manure, did a flower bed, and now we're going to celebrate. We're going to do some dancing, ain't we? Gonna kick some heels up. Gonna hear some karaoke. We're going to the VFW, so y'all stay tuned. Tell them.
Yep, stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button.
And hit that like.
Yep, that's right.
There you go.